Now I will tell you a story from your marigold book. Listen the story carefully. The name of the story is Neha's alarm clock. Okay. Here in this story, now I will read the story. Listen carefully. Narrator, ring ring ring. Narrator is telling that ring ring ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow smuggles under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up, she mutters to herself. So here narrator is telling that the clock is ringing, the alarm clock is ringing at the 6 o'clock in the morning, but Neha does not want to wake up. He covers her face with her ears in a pillow, and he does not want to wake up from the pillow. He smuggles under the warm blanket. Okay, but she knows that she has to get up, so she is mutters to herself that I will not get up. Now the Neha is telling that this alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It is so unfair. So Neha is now telling that the clock is ringing at 6 o'clock every day, and the clock always put me out of the bed at 6 o'clock. So it is not so fair. It is unfair. Oh, how Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning, because Neha always loved to sleep a little more longer in the morning. So she always becomes disturbed while the clock is ringing at 6 o'clock. So she is telling that it is unfair that she always feels that the alarm clock is always puts me out of the bed at 6 o'clock in the morning. And now he is telling that I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. Narrator then telling that something falls. Neha smiles. Okay. Now Neha is telling that, oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late. So after ringing, the clock suddenly became fall from the bed, and Neha become very much happy. Okay, Sneha smiles. Neha said that, oh, my clock has fallen. Now I am very happy. From tomorrow I can get up late. So now the narrator is telling that next morning there is no alarm. So Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirpy birds which came to the window sill every morning find Neha still sleeping. So the narrator is telling now that Neha's alarm clock fallen from the table, and the alarm clock tomorrow will not ring, and Neha will able to sleep late, and Neha will able to woke up late. So now Neha become very happy. Even the birds outside will not even the bird outside will make sounds like chirping, but Neha will sleep late. Okay, so the birds are telling that wake up dear, wake up fast, and the narrator means the alarm clock is telling that Neha gets up with a start. Okay, Now Neha tells that, oh no, if it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? So now Neha telling that uh, now birds will disturb me to wake up. Uh, Now alarm clock will not disturb me. Birds will now disturb me to wake up. Why they don't leave me alone? Neha is telling that it's not the alarm clock now. Now the birds will make sounds like chirping and they will not leave me. They will disturb me to wake up in the morning. So Neha told that why don't they leave me alone? Now the narrator is telling that even this wish of Neha's come true. The next morning there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either, but there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. So now here narrator is telling that from tomorrow Neha's alarm clock will not disturb him. Neha's what Neha tell that Neha's alarm clock from tomorrow will not disturb him. Even the birds will also not disturb him. So what Neha tell is true, but from the next morning another one is there, another someone else is there who does not want to miss her is the school bus. So school bus and the school bus will not want to miss her. So the big bright sun will make him wake up in the morning. This narrator feels that Neha this narrator feels that Neha will wake up with a smile after that. Okay. So after Neha telling that, oh my eyes, now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? The narrator is telling that even this wish of Neha's come true. Next morning the sun is behind the clouds. So Neha notes still she hears her mother's voice. So here Neha is telling that now the sun will make me wake up in the morning. So why sun will now disturb me to wake up in the morning? Okay. So Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Okay. Now the mother is telling, wake up sleepy head, you will miss the school bus. Now the mother is telling that, wake up Neha quickly, you will now miss the school bus. Neha said, oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? Now the narrator is telling that there is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Okay. So Neha is now telling that, Ma, who woke me up today? Narrator telling mother sleeps. Narrator telling mother smiles. Mother, who else? You, of course. Neha, but I was sleeping. How could I? Mother is telling now, tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Now mother is telling that, tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Neha tell that, I feel hungry. Then mother tell, then why do you sleep at 9 every night? Then Neha tell, because I feel sleepy. Then mother tell that there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. So Neha said now, oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. Mother then said, oh, I am relaxed. Today is Sunday. Neha, oh, oh, oh. So this is a very enjoyable story. This it is written by Girja Rani Asthana. Okay, so listen the story carefully. Okay, and in the bottom of the story there is some new words like smuggles, martyrs, window, seal, and relax. Okay, so মাটার্স মানে আমি বলে দিই, মাটার্স মানে হচ্ছে বারবার ধরে যদি কেউ কথা বলে, একই কথা যদি কেউ বিড়বিড় করে বলে যায় তখন সেটাকে মাটার্স বলা হয়। উইন্ডো সিল মানে মানে যে জানলা থাকে, জানলার যে বাইরের পোর্শনটা মানে বক্স জানলার মতো যে জায়গাটা থাকে, তো সেই জায়গাটাকে বলে উইন্ডো সিল, ঠিক আছে। আর রিল্যাক্স মানে হচ্ছে যে রিল্যাক্স করা, কোনো কিছু কাজ করছি নিজেকে রিল্যাক্স করছি, ঠিক আছে। আর স্মাগলস মানে আমি বলছি স্মাগলস মানে মানে কোনো কিছু আওয়াজ না শুনেও যদি ঘুম থেকে আমি না উঠতে চাই, ঠিক আছে, তখন সেটাকে বলছে স্মাগলস। এই গল্পে তখন সে বোঝাচ্ছে যে স্মাগলস মানে ওটাই, যে অ্যালার্ম ক্লক বাজছে তাও আমি ঘুম থেকে উঠতে চাইছি না, হ্যাঁ আমি শুয়ে আছি, তখন সেটাকে বলছে স্মাগলস, ঠিক আছে। তো এর মানেগুলো আমি গল্পে যে মানেগুলো বুঝিয়েছে আমি সেটার মানেগুলো তোমাকে ক্লিয়ারলি বলে দিলাম। তোমাদের কাজ হচ্ছে এই মানেগুলো দিয়ে you have to make sentences. Okay, now you have to make sentences and you have to listen the story very carefully. Okay,